No. I think he's gonna flag it again. He got a fantastic, I swear. What? Fuck you. Oh, you don't want to be in the video? Too bad. You're in the video. Doesn't Irvin look so sad? Aww. Uh-oh. Spencer.
What do you plan on doing to beat OE?
Same thing I did last time.
Well?
Like pandemonium.
Nice. To the 5.8.
What?
What did you guys get?
I failed it.
You failed?
Yeah, but it made him tired. So then I beat him on boost. Nice. I'm always terrified of that part.
Yeah.
It is.
What?
It is.
Even on R16?
Yeah, dude, it's late. I think I don't think it's actually late. It's just the song sounds earlier than it should, or something like that.
I think they should have used everything at Rockstar. If he understands, and we're talking like this, I want to have a little last minute session for Monday.
Nice. Very nice. Okay, last minute session with Corey Montez.
Me's fucking amazing. He gets quads on everything. And with Rockstar, she's fucking with him. Now it's fucking CDR.
No one cares what the fuck you have to say.
Number 18.
Number 18.
Damn. Every time I touch my city, something good happens.
Oh, wow, look at that spin. Wait, hold on.
Oh, wait,
flag? Oh, flag, okay.
Oh, wait, 2 flags? Oh,
2 flags.
Damn. Wait, what about 2 and then 100? Oh, yeah, hey.
Oh, look at that. Hey, that's me.
Alexis, oh!
That's me. Nice job, towelhead.